हम सोचते हैं कि जब कोई कहे टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ तो इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहें, या पहली बार मिलने पर हाउ डू आई इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। वेल यू डोंट नीड टू वरी एनीमोर। आज मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप सिखाऊंगी हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन अ सिंपल एंड कॉन्फिडेंट वे। Hi friends, welcome back to English with Swati. This is day 6 of our English learning series. And trust me, if you watch this video till the end, you'll never be nervous again when someone asks you to introduce yourself. Now, before we learn the formula, let's first understand why self-introduction is important. When you introduce yourself, you create the first impression. Think about it. Whether it's the first day of school, meeting someone at a party, or in a job interview, people always want to know one thing. Who are you? And that's why learning a simple and clear structure will make you sound confident and friendly. Alright, now you know why it matters. Let's see how to do it step by step. To make things easy, I've broken self-introduction into 6 simple steps. Step 1. Greet the person. Say hello or hi. Step 2. Tell your name. For example, I'm Swati. Step 3. Share where you are from. For example, I'm from Bangalore. Step 4. Talk about what you do. Like, I'm a student or teacher or engineer. Step 5. Add one personal detail. For example, I love music. And step 6. End politely. Say, nice to meet you. And that's it. Just 6 steps. Your self-introduction is complete and natural. Now let's connect this structure with a real-life conversation. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Swati. What's your name? Hi. I am Neha. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Mumbai. And you? I'm from Jaipur. What do you do? I'm a student. I love painting. That's nice. I love dancing. Now, before we move forward, let's quickly correct one very common mistake. Many people say myself Ramesh, but this is wrong in English. The correct way is I am Ramesh or my name is Ramesh. So always remember, myself plus name is not correct. Now let's bring everything together in one quick recap, so it stays fresh in your mind. Step 1. Greet the person. Step 2. Tell your name, where you're from, what you do, hobby or interest, and end politely. And now comes the fun part, your homework. Write your self-introduction in the comments. For example, hello, my name is Swati. I am from Bangalore. I am a YouTuber. I love music. Nice to meet you. When you do this, you not only practice but also inspire others in the comment section. So friends, today we learned how to confidently introduce ourselves in English. This simple formula will help you in school, interviews, meetings, or even when you meet new people casually. So don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to the channel and comment your self-introduction below. See you in day 7. Bye bye. Keep smiling.